कभी शाम बहे कभी रुद्र, पल पल एक नया चित्र। प्रणामो ब्रह्मपुत्र।
পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে, আয়ো সেই চোখে দেখা প্রাণের কথা, সে কি ভোলা যায়।
Smita, come back, because we are already live. Fourth day of our Foundation Day celebration week, and we are back again, ladies and gentlemen, with Northeast and West Bengal regions presentation.
So welcome our dear colleagues and friends from Northeast and West Bengal. आज तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ, आज के आमी भीषण excited.
आमियों भीषण excited. क्या वो ठीक था स्मिता जो मैंने बोला?
Yes. Very good.
धन्यवाद.
अनेक धन्यवाद.
अनेक धन्यवाद, of course. और आप सोच रहे होंगे ये बंगाली लासेस ये लोग क्या बोल रही हैं, तो हम आपको ट्रांसलेशन भी करके बताएंगे during our course of conversation. So without much ado, let's
begin the show.
Of course. ये जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट है और वेस्ट बंगाल रीजन है, they are very rich in culture, tradition, landscape, architecture. Anything else that I'm missing?
The food.
How could I forget that?
Food, yes.
Food, of course. So this rich culture of food, tradition, are live with you all in today's show.
Absolutely, Shipra. So moving ahead and getting back to rolling the show for today, we have Mr. Biswajit Dev, who is the arrowhead of Northeast. So dekhte hain what beautiful message Mr. Dev is giving us and sending across. Over to you, Mr. Dev.
People know that Rodick is going to celebrate their foundation day on 20th June, and we are very much delighted in observing the foundation day on 20th June. Okay. So the celebration of foundation day is not only the day for our celebration, it is the day for recollecting various memories from our seniors and our peers and our colleagues, those who have passed the various days with the Rodick, and also to fulfill the vision of the Rodick, as well as our Honorable CMD and others directors. Actually, Rodick has formed to develop, to give the services to the nation for the technical efficiency and other relevant consulting criteria to deliver to the government of India in various projects. So we celebrate and we are blessed that we are the employees of the Rodick. The Rodick consultant has given us much opportunity in learning, providing facilities to give our various efforts for the various projects. Rodick has undertaken several remarkable projects in India and successfully completed all the projects with integrity and sincerity and technical efficiency. The name of the two projects we have completed, this is Dibang River Bridge project, which was a great challenge for the client also, but with the Rodick technical support and Rodick efficiency, we have able to complete this project within the stipulated time. Another project, the Scabul Step Bridge at Feni, which is international project that is nearby completion. So Rodick There is no question about Rodic efficiency, efficacy, and technicality in consulting services. Recently, last year we have started another prestigious project in Mizoram. This is JICA project, where we have mobilized all the peoples, and with the effort of our seniors, our technical teams, our design teams, and everything, we are executing this project as on day very nicely. So during the foundation day, we should meet all together and we should try to give our best effort in near future for all the upcoming projects, and we should work very honestly, and we should give our effort earnestly, and we should work very diligently with the Rodic. Thank you.
Very rightly said, Mr. Deb, that this is a day of recollecting our memories. यादों की बारात, यादें जो खूबसूरत हैं, यादें जो एक अमिट छाप छोड़ जाती हैं हम सबके ऊपर. जी स्मिता?
Absolutely. और शिप्रा, सबसे जो बढ़िया मुझे चीज लगी है इन पूरे सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट्स में, और जो भी हम आगे के दिनों में भी दिखाएंगे, कि हम सभी ऑडिशंस ने एक बहुत ही अलग प्रकार का मिसाल छोड़ा है, एक अलग प्रकार की भावना हम सब में आई है. The form, the entire intent of being united, you know, in mind. So I always say we are many in body but one in mind. So on that note,
बिल्कुल सही फरमाया आपने स्मिता, ये बहुत खूबसूरत लाइंस थे जो आपने बताए. So yes, on that note, please continue.
yes, so on that note, we deeply thank Mr. Deb for the wonderful message. And next up, we have Mr. Jitu Mani, who is the office manager from Guwahati region. तो देखते हैं गुवाहाटी के हमारे friends ने क्या हमारे लिए भेजा है. एक presentation है which talks about the entire region, and it'll bring out the flavor and the culture of that region. तो देखते हैं क्या है जीतू मनी जी हमारे लिए.
The northeastern region.
I hold still, entrenched by the boundless serenity. I tread the gaiety path, bustling through the soulscapes in grass and air. The fragrance, the softness of your lap whisks the souls up. A light of rhythm surrounds me. I grow to a butterfly. I preach my way to the altar of serenity. I discover my horizons to clear the mists of my heart, which have seen countless dawns and dusks, like the changed wilderness I see within me, a heavenly abode of new vistas, understand the voices. My numb mind revives. Under the delicate tracery of the stars. The charms in your grace I fell in love with and wrote the plain tales. The ethereal journey of the Wonderland. A journey beyond earthly tastes.
The beginning of Rodic in Northeast region. Rodic started in an year with the Shillong Bypass project in the state of Meghalaya under NHAI on 17th October 2011, and the project was completed much before time. First time in the history of any year as far as Rodic construction project is concerned. Shillong Bypass project completed in 25th March 2013. The regional office Guwahati has become functional with effect from 1st June 2012. It is situated at Guwahati at house number 3, Goswami Bhavan, H.C. Goswami Road, Ward Street, Uzan Bazar, Guwahati 781001, Assam, India. Here we have some cliques of regional office of Guwahati. Rodic Guest House at Guwahati. Here we have some cliques of Rodic Guest House Guwahati. Some pictures of the project offices in the Northeast region. From the left, Meghalaya ADB project office located at Tura, Meghalaya. Then Manipur ADB project office located in Manipur. Then Diwang Bridge project office located at Tinsukia. Assam ADB DTL office located at Rangia, Assam. Then Assam World Bank project office at Jorhat. Then Barpeta project office of Assam ADB project located at Barpeta. Agartala Udaipur project office at Agartala. Then Feni Bridge project office located at Sabrum in South Tripura. Then Feni Bridge site office located in Silchar. Tolabari Jamuguri project office located at Tejpur, Assam. Then Balachera Harengajao project office located at Silchar, Assam. Then Mao Imphal project office located in Manipur. And finally, the Mizoram Zyka project TL office located at Lungle in Mizoram. Some pictures of events in Rodic, Guwahati.
Thank you so much, Jitumani ji. it was a very, I think, detailed presentation.
Very
Shipra.
informative as
Yes.
well.
Yes.
When you look at the presentation, 2-3 words that comes into your mind is picturesque landscape, serenity, peace, tranquility. All these words are so associated with the region. And फिर से उड़ चला मेरा बावरा मन, रोको इसे स्मिता, कहीं मैं शायरा ना बन जाऊं.
क्या बात है. Come back, Shipra. We have a lot
जी.
to, look up to for today's beautiful event.
Next coming up is big talent. It's a very talented expert who is with us, Mr. K. Priyo Biplab Singha, who is a survey engineer in Balachera project. Awesome voice. But why should I tell you that? That's for you to judge. खुद ही देख लीजिए. हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या?
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा, क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा, भूलेगा जिस दिन तुम्हें, वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा. क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा.
भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें, वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा. क्या हुआ तेरा वादा,
यार मुझको तुमने कहा था, तुमसे नहीं रूठे कभी, दिल तरह से हाथ मेरे
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा। क्या बात है बिप्लब जी, amazing, amazing, amazing. And Shipra, the best thing about this team member, and जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा is that he's so dedicated, committed, और पीछे आपने देखा कितने अच्छे से उन्होंने 20 years of excellence का background लगाया।
एक एक डिटेलिंग टी शर्ट भी उसने रॉडी की पहन रखी थी,
yes.
और जिस तरह से प्लेजेंट वे में झूम रहा
Yes.
था, गा रहा था, एंजॉय कर रहा था। तो ये जब हम कुछ भी कर रहे होते हैं ना, अगर हम एंजॉय करें अपने उस काम को,
एब्सोल्युटली
वो नेचुरली अच्छा बन के आएगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आपकी बात
बिप्लब जी।
बिल्कुल सही है। बिप्लब जी, रियली थैंक यू।
हाँ,
बहुत बहुत बढ़िया, उम्दा परफॉर्मेंस।
झुमा दिया आपने हमें। इज दैट अ वर्ड कॉल्ड झुमा दिया?
कोई नहीं।
Whatever.
नेक्स्ट
अब गाना हो गया,
yes.
तो डांस भी होना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल।
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, Bihu is a form of dance which is associated with Assam. और ये एक हार्वेस्टिंग फेस्टिवल को अशर इन करने के लिए
रिप्रेजेंट करता है।
हार्वेस्टिंग फेस्टिवल, यस, एंड राइस के हार्वेस्ट को रिप्रेजेंट करता है ये बिहू डांस। वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, गाते हैं, क्रॉप की, प्लांट की पूजा करते हैं।
yes.
और एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म है जहाँ पर शोल्डर को मूव इन करते हैं, एंड इट्स अ वेरी नाइस ट्रेडिशनल डांस फ्रॉम असम।
Absolutely. So welcoming Miss Geeta Moni Kalita and Mr. Deepen Kalita and friends. Before we start the performance, the beauty is ये एक हस्बैंड वाइफ हैं। हमारे जो एम्प्लॉई हैं मिस्टर दीपेन कलिता, ही इज द मैनेजर, एंड इनकी वाइफ हैं। इन्होंने इतना बढ़िया उम्दा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है, आप लोग देखिए, फिर आप लोग खुद ही बोलेंगे कि ये पावर कपल हैं रॉडिक के।
They complement each other. You have to look at it, guys.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली। तो चलिए दिखाते हैं जल्दी जल्दी आपको इनका बढ़िया सा परफॉर्मेंस।
कितना खूबसूरत नृत्य था ये कपल्स के बीच। स्मिता, पता है ये जब मैं ऐसे कपल्स को देखती हूँ जिनके बीच बहुत सारा प्यार होता है, बहुत सारा कोऑर्डिनेशन, अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है, तो मुझे तो लगता है कि लाइफ का यही जिस्ट है।
बिल्कुल शिप्रा, इनफैक्ट इनकी जो जोड़ी है,
जी,
you know, it was really reflecting, you know, the warmth, the love between them, and that's why I call them a power couple, you know. So
complimenting
thank you.
each other,
Yes.
and it was really, really beautiful. And she's such a beautiful and graceful dancer,
Yes,
yeah.
absolutely.
And even
बिल्कुल.
Jiten, he was complimenting her
हाँ,
in every
हाँ.
bit.
हाँ.
So thank you guys for the lovely performance.
Thank you, Dipenji, and thank you, Geeta Moni ji. Really, hats off to both of you for this lovely performance.
Next coming up is Mr. Mukul Saxena, who is DGM NHI DCL from Dolabari project. So let's hear a client testimonial from him.
We are present here in the office of DGM sir, Mukul Saxena, who is in charge of the school. So our project is also under the today on the occasion of completion of 20 years already. We have come here to interact with DGM sir and to share his views about the Sir, I would like to ask you a few questions to share regarding your views with you. Sir, we would like to ask you to share your views regarding your overall experience with we from the audit consulting side we have been working in this project since 2018 usually. So what is your view regarding this? It's a good experience to the new professional, somebody, and very common. So I take care of the good interest of that. Thank you, sir. As you know, sir, we are completing actually 20 years of service as a consultant organization. So, what is your opinion about this? What do you think about this? We have been serving this infrastructure sector, consultancy service for the past 20 years. What is your opinion about this? First of all, I congratulate you and the company for completing the 20 years. Sir, I hope in future we will also be good and we can pass and improve your company. Regarding the personality and the office. Thank you so much. I just hope you will give more better quality. Thank you very much. Sir, on the occasion of 20 years completion of project, would you like to give any message for all of us, Rodic employees in this area? Be engineer, remain engineer, be professionals. Thank you, sir. Very grateful to you to have your views on this occasion. So, there is it. DGM sir has shared his views about Modi. So, this is Himadri Chakraborty, team leader, Dolabari Jambi project, signing off.
Thank you, Mr. Mukul Saxena, for the kind and beautiful words. It means a lot to us. Thank you, Himadri ji, for taking this interview very, very professionally. And you looked very good too. Yes.
Bilkul.
Thank you.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as usual, because I wanted to show some dhamaka, some masti, some dance and some more performances.
Yeah.
आगे भी है हमारे एक टैलेंटेड टीम मेंबर हैं जिनको बहुत ही बढ़िया ऑक्टोपैड पे प्ले करना आता है, तो देखिए शिप्रा क्या सरप्राइज लाए हैं हमारे लिए.
Bring it on with some rock and roll, baby.
Okay, so I'm presenting Mr. Jitumani Das, who's going to do a octopad instrumental performance. देखते हैं.
Go for it.
कोई मिल गया
क्या बात है दादा, awesome, awesome, क्या बात है. I mean, really, this is amazing. भाई और बहनों, let me tell you one thing. अगर आपको ये लग रहा हो कि ये पहले से प्लेट था, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ड्रम्स, जो ये ऑक्टोपैड जिसको हम बोलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ड्रम्स इसको कहते हैं, इस पे जीतू मनी जी ने इसको प्ले करा है इस ब्यूटीफुल 90s नंबर को. ये
और जितना रॉकिंग ये नंबर था उसे और भी ज्यादा रॉकिंग बना दिया है अपने रॉकिंग परफॉर्मेंस से जीतू मनी जी ने. यार स्मिता, ये जो रीजन है, यहाँ की मिट्टी में, एक एक कण में, यहाँ के लोगों में, उनके रग में म्यूजिक इज रनिंग इन देयर ब्लड. So it's very, very obvious.
Yes.
Very musical indeed, this region is.
And culturally rich.
Very rich. Very rich indeed, culturally. So taking on those lines, taking the lines forward, let us bring on some more dance. So ladies and gentlemen, दोस्तों अब हम जो नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस लेकर आए हैं वो है ये दो प्यारी प्यारी बहनें. इन्होंने बड़ी खूबसूरती से सीता और गीता को बिल्कुल जीवित कर दिया है इन्होंने अपने इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में. आप कुछ बताएंगी इसके बारे में स्मिता?
सो शिप्रा, ये है हमारे छोटी से छोटे पैकेट्स जिनको मैं यूजुअली छोटा पैकेट बोलती हूँ हमारे रॉडिक के बच्चों को. तो ये छोटे पैकेट्स एंड धमाकों का नाम है मिस सृष्टि छेत्री और मिस सृजना छेत्री. ये है दुर्गा बहादुर छेत्री के दो प्यारी बेटियां जो हमारे एग्जीक्यूटिव हैं. और जो सबसे उम्दा चीज है, ये दोनों बच्चे इतने प्यार से हमारे लिए परफॉर्मेंस भेजा है. तो देखें शिप्रा.
Yes, it's an amalgamation of East meets West.
How sweet. Oh my God, I'm so amazed to see these lovely beauties all the way from Assam.
इसने मुझे सेंटी कर दिया. माँ शब्द ही ऐसा है जो किसी को भी सेंटी कर देता है. Thank you, little kids, little children. You were beautiful. Bless you.
And thank you, Mr. Durga Bahadur ji. I think आपकी और आपकी वाइफ की इसमें huge contribution है to prep these girls and to send us the video all the way from Assam. So we are really, really humbled and grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Coming up next is
Tareef.
It is. I tell you, it is. This is by Mr. Y. Joy Kumar Singh, who is PD at PWD Manipur. And we share a very good rapport with him, and his contribution is unmatchable, his intelligence is unmatchable. So let's hear it straight from him.
Director, PWD Manipur, dealing with the external aid project, that project funded by multilateral development bank. I came into contact with RODIC something around 2014 when we took up this NATIP project. That's a project of improvement of road infrastructure in the state of Manipur with funding from Asian Development Bank. RODIC in JV with ECOM was supervision consultant, that's the authority engineer, if you talk in terms of national highways. And it was the first external aided project in the state, and we were lucky in a way that we got RODIC as one of the supervision consultants. What we like about RODIC was like its ability to adapt to situation and client-centric approach to issues. As you know, like any infrastructure project, there are always gray areas, and there are always certain issues where, like with the book knowledge or what is given in a book, it is not able to solve the problem. And RODIC has been able to provide out-of-the-box solutions and innovative ideas to address issues. And we have been grateful to RODIC for all the assistance that they have provided during the execution of the project. I can say that like it's with the cooperation of RODIC, with the assistance and with the guidance provided from the home office that this project has come through, and we are about to close on the project in a successful note. Of course, as part of the National Highway team also, I have had the opportunity to deal with RODIC again in National Highway project as an authority engineer. And hopefully, like in the future endeavors also, we'll be dealing with RODIC also. One thing about RODIC, one is flexibility, and it's the way they expanded. Like in a recent project which didn't come through, but RODIC was involved was like preparation of the DPR of a national highway, expansion of a national highway. So the variance and the flexibility RODIC there again, from a supervision consultant to a DPR consultant, was again something that we appreciate as an engineer. To the employees of the RODIC that's working throughout the country as of now, my message is like you are with a very good firm, and hopefully like you keep on growing with the growing stature of RODIC. Since like we have heard it in 2000 that RODIC was established, and in these 20 years the RODIC has grown and expanded a lot. And in keeping with this, like the growth has not been concentrated in the company itself. The growth has been also along with all its staff, with all its employees, and that's something which all the employees of RODIC should be proud about. One message I want to give is India, in fact, the humanity is facing its blackest, darkest hours now because of the COVID pandemic, and the world, in fact, the humanity and the country will be looking at us, the technocrats, the engineers, to come through this dark phase of our humanity, and we have to live up to the expectations of the people. It's through us technocrats and the others like who are handling infrastructure projects to provide the next growth engine for the country and the humanity to grow again. That's the message I want to give. We as a technocrat have a big responsibility, and we as a human being have to go along with it. And hopefully, like in the future endeavors also, we'll be dealing with RODIC also. One thing about RODIC, one is flexibility, and it's the way they expanded. Like in a recent project which didn't come through, but RODIC was involved was like preparation of the DPR of a national highway, expansion of a national highway. So the variance and the flexibility RODIC there again, from a supervision consultant to a DPR consultant, was again something that we appreciate as an engineer. To the employees of the RODIC,
that working throughout the country as of now, my message is like you are with a very good firm, and hopefully like you keep on growing with the growing stature of Rhotic. Since like we have heard it, it was in 2000 that Rhotic was established, and in this 20 years, Rhotic has grown and expanded a lot. And in keeping with this, like the growth has not been concentrated in the company itself. The growth has been also along with all its staff, with all its employees, and that's something which all the employees of Rhotic should be proud about. One message I want to give is India, in fact, the humanity is facing its blackest, darkest hours now because of the COVID pandemic, and the world, in fact, the humanity and the country will be looking at us, the technocrats, the engineers, to come through this dark phase of our humanity, and we have to live up to the expectations of the people. It's through us technocrats and the others like who are handling infrastructure projects to provide the next growth engine for the country and the humanity to grow again. That's the message I want to give. We as a technocrat have a big responsibility, and we as a human being has to grow along with it. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Joy Kumar. I think उन्होंने बहुत ही एक अच्छा मैसेज छोड़ा है that we need to all work together towards nation development. And as human beings as well, we have to unite and work, which I also personally always feel is the right way and the right approach to forge ahead.
And he gave so much of his time. That was also very commendable. So thank you.
Thank you so much. And special thanks to Mr. Shashikanta, who's the office manager from Manipur,
for interviewing him.
Absolutely.
Acha, Bengali, I those vibes. कि कुछ तो बंगाली स्टफ आने वाला है।
किशोर दा का एक गाना गाएं, शिप्रा, क्या कहते हो? शुरू है? देखना चाहेंगे आप लोग?
नहीं, सुनना भी चाहेंगे।
देखिए और सुनिए, हम दोनों को पहले, उसके बाद एक और रोमांचक परफॉर्मेंस। रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, ना 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 ना। So presenting Mr. Rupak Das, who's going to sing this beautiful rendition,
far better than us,
far more better than us. Let's hear it from him. Over to you, Rupak.
रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन। रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन। रिमझिम गिरे सावन। जब घुंघरूं सी बजती है बूंदे, अरमां हमारे पलके न मूंदे। जब घुंघरूं सी बजती है बूंदे, अरमां हमारे पलके न मूंदे। कैसे देखे सपने नयन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम कैसी ये अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से हाय करे अब क्या जतन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी है अगन।
शिप्रा, एक बात है वैसे, जो भी बोलो बंगालियों में ना टैलेंट कूट कूट के भरा है।
बंगाली है, असमीज है,
बंगाली है, रूपक दास
तभी partiality, but nevertheless this guy is such an amazing singer. Smita had no idea.
Yes, आपको पता है वैसे शिप्रा, ये मुझे काफी ऑफन गाना भेजते रहते हैं, आज से नहीं कई टाइम से जब से मैं आई हूँ, और मुझे इस बारे में बोलते हुए बहुत खुशी होती है कि you know he really is very talented. इनफैक्ट हमने इनका एक दो गाना भी आगे की हमारे परफॉर्मेंसेस में मैंने यूज करे हैं जो हम बाद में आपको बताएंगे. सो यस रूपक, थैंक यू सो मच एंड अ लॉट ऑफ लव फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ अस फ्रॉम द हेडक्वार्टर्स टू यू.
I'm so glad that you are using all his talent. सही जगह इस्तेमाल कर रही हैं आप इसके टैलेंट का. दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट हमने एक छोटा सा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है. आपने गीता मुनि कोलिता का डांस तो अभी देखा ही है जो उन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड के साथ किया है. हमने उनके डांस को और एक और हमारे 73 इयर्स यंग ब्रिज इंजीनियर है मिस्टर सोंगमा तेजमनी सिंह, उन्होंने भी डांस करने की करा है. मैं कोशिश तो नहीं बोलूंगी, काफी अच्छा करा इनफैक्ट उन्होंने. तो हमने इन दोनों के डांस को क्लब करके एक टीचर और स्टूडेंट का फॉर्मेट देने की कोशिश की है, और आशा करते हैं कि हमारा ये एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको पसंद जरूर आएगा. ओवर टू देम.
क्या बढ़िया अमेल्गमेशन रहा दोनों का, माय गुडनेस.
गीता मुनी सच अ ग्रेसफुल डांसर, मैं इनकी फैन बनती जा रही हूँ स्मिता, मैं बता रही हूँ आपको। और ये 73 इयर्स होने के बाद अगर मिस्टर सोंगमा इतनी एनर्जी के साथ डांस कर सकते हैं तो
हमें
भाई,
सीखना चाहिए, सारे
कहना नहीं
ऑडिशंस को उनसे सीखना चाहिए। इंडीड दैट व्हाट ग्रेट स्पिरिट. So we really salute to you, sir, for this lovely rendition and for making that great effort. बहुत अच्छा लगा ये आप दोनों का बढ़िया उम्दा परफॉर्मेंस देख के.
Next, coming up is instrumental by Rupak Das again and Jeetu Mani. ये लोग तबला और फ्लूट पर हैं. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल इन लोगों ने अमेलगमेट किया है म्यूजिक को. और ये आपको बिल्कुल, हम जो बात कर रहे हैं आजकल मेंटल वेलनेस की, आई थिंक दिस म्यूजिक truly epitomizes that. Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Rupak and Jeetu Mani. आपको गाना समझ में आया? कौन सा गाना था ये? यशोदा का नंदलाला ब्रिज का उजाला है. क्या बात है. जया प्रदा का ये सॉन्ग है.
Yes.
और कितनी खूबसूरती से इन दोनों ने निभाया है इस ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग को. Jeetu Mani and Rupak, you both are super talented. Proud of you guys.
Next up is another lovely client testimonial that has been conducted by Mr. MC Thoiba from Mau Imphal, and the client is Mr. Thongbram Rabindra Kumar Singh, who's the additional CE cum PD of PWD Manipur. So dekhte hain what lovely message they have sent for us.
Sure. I am MC Thoiba from Rodi Consultant Private Limited. I am resident engineer of Mau Imphal project. Sir, we are going to celebrate 20 years, glorious years of the Rodi. So, sir, kindly share us about your overall experience with the Rodi consultants, and what do you think about this when we are completing 20 years of glorious years. And sir, give us messages for all the Rodi employees across India toward completion of our 20 years experience.
I am Thongbram Rabindra Kumar Singh, Additional Chief Engineer 3, PWD Manipur, who is in charge of National Highways in Manipur. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Rodi Consultant on completion of this 20 years of service in and I think as per my experience with Rodi Consultant, they are doing their job very well, and whatever problem we face at the work site, we try to solve it with their expertise, and they are also very cooperative with the state PWD, and their job and their quality control is commendable. And I like to thank all the employees of RODIC and who are in charge of this Mount Impal project. A very good and successful year to come in the future. And I hope RODIC management will also try to involve local peoples in their consultants, so that the works were done properly, and their expertise may also be transferred to the local peoples also. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tongbram, Rabindra Kumar Singh, and Mr. MC Thoiba for conducting this wonderful interview. In fact, जो मुझे सबसे मजेदार बात लगी, जो Mr. Singh ने हमारे बारे में बोला, is that we are very good in quality control and we are very reliable and we have a great expertise. यही चीजें हैं शिप्रा जो एक कंपनी को बनाए रखती है और आगे भी ले जाती है.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने स्मिता, and we are humbled to hear such kind words from you, so thank you very much. And Mr. Thoiba, आपने बहुत प्रोफेशनली से कंडक्ट किया है, so hats off to you too. Next coming up is West Bengal region से एक छोटा सा प्रेजेंटेशन. इन्होंने अपने सारे वीडियोस को क्लब कर एक ही परफॉर्मेंस का रूप दिया है. So let's hear it for West Bengal.
के सभी एम्प्लॉइज को कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ ग्लोरियस 20 years. हम लोग के प्रोजेक्ट के सारे लोग चाहते हैं कि अपने कंपनी के साथ ज्यादा से ज्यादा समय बिताएं, कंटिन्यू करें. और हाँ, क्योंकि स्टाफ के प्रति समर्पित कंपनी है और स्टाफ उनका बहुत ही ख्याल रखती है. हम लोग का एक्सपीरियंस रॉडिक के प्रति बहुत ही अच्छा रहा. रॉडिक एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो अपने स्टाफ का बहुत ख्याल रखती है और हमारी कंपनी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड पावर सेक्टर में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है. नेशन बिल्डअप में बहुत अच्छा सहयोग कर रही है.
আমার জন্মভূমি আমার সকল ভালোবাসায় সকল আঘাত সকল আশায় আমার সকল ভালোবাসা সকল আঘাত সকল আশায় তুমি ছিলে আমার কাছে তুমি ছিলে আমি তোমার কাছে যাই
भाई बंगाल हो और रविंद्र संगीत ना हो ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता। क्या कहती हैं स्मिता?
शिप्रा, सबसे जो मुझे बहुत बेहतरीन बात लगी that they have revived the essence of not only being Bengalis from West Bengal, but through this beautiful rendition by Tagore ji, is that they've reinstated the values that we also need to have as a true Rhodesian. So thank you Sumit Laik ji and the entire team, also Surjit ji, who is the TL of the Quebec team. We really loved your performances.
And thank you for putting up that beautiful song, two of them. Next, we would request Mr. Sumit Laik to end the session with closing remarks of his. Let's hear it from him.
Very good evening and very warm welcome to this wonderful, beautiful and auspicious evening of 20th Rodic Foundation Day. I am Sumit Laik, DGM RO Kolkata. Wish to congratulate each and every participants participating in this program. I felt like last batsman batting in the match, but since we already win the match in terms of the fantastic varieties program performed by the Northeastern region and Eastern region, I don't have much role to do, but just walk the ball and hand it over to the post. Having said that, if there is a little to be said to this evening program, I can say that after seeing the performance of each participants of Northeastern region, we actually got a taste of Northeast culture. Also, Kolkata region has done their justification by showcasing all the activities in a single video, which gives us a glimpse of the activities going on during the speech, ski by the staff members. Once again, I wish to thank all the participants from the Northeastern region and the Eastern region, and special thanks to the entire Rodic management team and those who have worked tirelessly behind the scene to make this happen worth. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sumit Laik, our regional officer for West Bengal region, for closing it so beautifully and for sharing the thoughts which every Rhodesian believes in. Thank you very much. With that, we come to an end of the beautiful region called Northeast and West Bengal, culturally rich and traditionally so very rich. Now, may I request our CMD, Mr. Rajkumar, to say a few words. I'm sure he has lots to say today. Sir.
Thank you, everybody, and very good afternoon. It had been a fantastic cultural afternoon for all of us. And I was really surprised to see and why it is called Land of Rising Sun. The East region of the country, that whole of the East as well as the West Bengal, we call it the cultural heritage of the country. We can, this is my coined word, but I think I am 100% right on it. And that our guys from this particular region have proved it today. A special, what you call, I would like to appreciate Biplav Dev from Balachera for the song that he sang. That really connects. I have never been to that project, but now in my back of the mind of lot of Rhodesians that will be there, you will be remembered, Biplav, for the song, that the way you delivered and the quality of your song and the commitment that all of you have shown to come to a stage. Maybe we don't expect, we are professional engineers, we are professional from different fields, but these are all activities that is your, what you call hobbies, or that is the other part of your life, one's life, and you have come to this stage and you have the guts to come on that and send it to the headquarters, and that is the beauty of all behind it. Dip and Kalita, the couple, really I would have met these guys, but now I know for sure, I'll remember for sure for time memorial. And next time whenever I'm coming, I like to see both of you together in that region, to meet you, especially for that. And a special thanks to Mrs. Kalita. And this is what we call it, a Rodick family. And she has really participated well in that. And that shows what we mean at the management when we call it is a Rodick family. These guys have really shown the seeds. Jitumani Das, he was excellent, fabulous, no words to it. Means I can say ki, professional performance by Jitu, yes. Durga Chetri, the daughters, both the daughters, really, what you call it, the kids having a lot of confidence. And this is the time that we should put our kids, because tomorrow they are going to go then only they are going to go as a confident adults tomorrow. Thank them also on our behalf of Rodick management and whole of the headquarter team. Joy Kumar is a lovely PD to work with. I had met him 4 or 5 times. He comes as a very professional client who understands the subject, and not only that's what we are saying it. If you inquire from Manipur PWD or from Manipur state, he might have been at any stage because of his seniority or because of his age. He's not that old, but because of the knowledge and because of his delivery, sense of delivery, he has always been on the top of the position, top of the heap. That maybe that's our guy from Manipur, Rajesh, will vouch for it. And a special thanks to Joy Kumar. He has said, and to the team also who is working under Joy Kumar. If Joy Kumar is saying something great our team, I believe it. I really believe it. And Rupak Das again, he is the top of the table. Performance by Rupak, you will agree?
Totally agree on that one, sir.
Really top class performance by our youngsters, the guys who have taken part, who have been on the front of the stage, who had been back. Nice. Already Shipra had said very fine words for Himadri, but yeah, I like to add, as a team leader, I had a recent maybe few interactions with you, and you have come up with a very what do you call it, very confident and very knowledgeable as a team leader. And today, by the way you have conducted the interviews of the client and the way the clients have talked about your projects, that says about your personality and your team. And now coming to the Mount Fall package also, our RE, he's just RE, Mr. Thoiba, the way he has conducted and the good words that the additional CE, Mr. Thombram, has had to say for us, that gives boost to our blood pressure, I say.
Indeed.
Yeah, and it had been a beautiful afternoon and evening, and this is what Rodick is all about. Connect, hand-holding, what do you call it, courage, bringing your people in forefront, training them, guiding them, getting the star status on the projects that they are working in, getting the goodwill of the clients. And this gives a lot of blood to me as being a chairman of the organization. Thanks, everybody. I'd like to thank you again and see you tomorrow. Again, we are meeting at the same time. See you. Thank you, everybody.
That was very beautifully expressed by Mr. Rajkumar.
I'll just interrupt you.
Yes,
there are
please.
further 2 names. It is by Rajesh. I have already,
Yes.
Rajesh from Manipur, he has already done a fantastic job from this team, and the client testimonials, what he had been. That reflects upon our regional heads also. Mr. Dev had also been, he is the regional head from Assam and whole of the Northeast. He's the senior guy over there. And not to forget about Sumit.
Yeah, indeed.
He is not a very old, what do you call it, member of the family, but he has proved within since last 2 years, I guess. I have met him personally also a few times. He has also proved his mettle too well.
Totally.
Thank you, everybody.
Totally. You know what? One thing which I really noticed about our CMD is he was so happy, full. I mean, I could see that in his eyes, on the expression on his face. So that kind of pleasure, if you that comes naturally when you see all your family members coming in together as a family, performing, singing, dancing together, and of course performing, working together. So that instills in us a lot of faith, a lot of hope and belief. So on that note, this is Shipra is signing off, but not without naming all the guys behind the scenes, who are Himadri Prasad Chakravarti, who is team leader, Jitamani Das, office manager, Durga Shetri, executive, Dipen Kalita, manager, Rupak Das, manager, Shashikanta, office manager, Mr. MC Thoiba, who is resident engineer, and last but not the least, Mr. Sumit Layak. So folks, we will be back again tomorrow at the same time, same place. Stay tuned and see you all tomorrow. Ciao. Thank you. Very nice.
Pranamo Brahmaputra, Namami Brahmaputra, Kabhi Shaan bahe kabhi rudra, Pal pal ek naya chitra.
Pranamo Brahmaputra, Namami Brahmaputra,
Khane khanta tumi khane rudra,
Pale pale nava nava sitra,
O zindagi ke sakha, यूं ही बहना तू है सृष्टि ब्रह्मा तेरे पिता. Pranamo Brahmaputra, Pranamo Brahmaputra.